Hello, and welcome to Everyday English Earwaves. I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. In today's episode, we're starting a brand new series that we are very excited about. The Oxford 3000 Word Part 1.
That's right. The Oxford 3000 is a list of the most important and useful words you need to learn to speak English fluently. If you master these, your conversational skills will improve dramatically.
In each part of the series, we're going to cover 20 words. For each word, we will say it clearly, explain its meaning and how to use it, and give you 3 easy examples.
Ready to get started, Anna?
Absolutely. Let's begin with the very first word.
1. Our first word, and probably the most common, is
This is an indefinite article. You use it before a singular, countable noun when you're not talking about a specific one. You use before words that start with a consonant sound.
Examples. I would like a cup of tea, please. She is training to be a pilot. That is a very interesting book. 2. Abandon.
Next up, the verb abandon.
Abandon. This means to leave someone or something behind permanently with no intention of returning.
It's a strong word, often used when someone leaves something because they can no longer care for it, or when they leave a place out of necessity.
Examples. The crew had to abandon the sinking ship. We had to abandon our plan due to the bad weather. It's cruel to abandon a pet. 3. Ability. Our third word is a noun, ability.
Ability. This is the power or skill to do something.
We often use it in the structure, the ability to do something. It refers to a person's capacity or talent.
Examples. She has an amazing ability to remember names. The job requires the ability to work well under pressure. He lost his ability to walk after the accident.
4. Able.
And related to that, our next word is the adjective, able.
Able. If you are able to do something, it means you have the skill, power, or opportunity to do it.
It's most commonly used in the phrase to be able to. For example, I am able to. She will be able to, and so on.
Examples. Will you be able to come to the meeting tomorrow? He is able to speak 3 different languages. After her surgery, she wasn't able to lift anything heavy. 5. About.
Next, a very common preposition, about.
About. This word is used to talk about a particular subject or topic. It can also mean approximately or nearly.
You can use it to introduce a topic, as in a book about history, or to estimate a number, as in about 10 people.
Examples. What was the movie about? There were about 50 people at the party. I'm worried about my exam results. Number 6 is above.
Above. This means at a higher level or position than something else.
It's the opposite of below. It can refer to physical position, like a picture above a sofa, or a level, like a temperature above zero.
Examples. The helicopter was flying above the clouds. Please read the instructions written above. The temperature today is above average for this time of year. 7. Abroad.
Our next word is abroad. Abroad. This adverb simply means in or to a foreign country.
So instead of saying, I am going to a different country, you can just say, I am going abroad. It's very common. Examples. She has always wanted to study abroad. Many people travel abroad for their summer holidays. He lived abroad for 10 years before returning to England. 8. Absence.
Next, we have the noun absence.
Absence. This means the state of not being present somewhere.
You can talk about someone's absence from work or school, or the absence of something, which means it isn't there. Examples. The teacher noted his absence from the class.
In the absence of any evidence, the police had to release him. Her long absence made her friends worry. 9. Absolute.
Number 9 is the adjective absolute.
Absolute. This means total, complete, and not limited in any way.
It's an adjective used for emphasis. When you say something is the absolute truth, you are saying it is 100% true.
Examples. I have absolute confidence in her ability. The new manager has absolute power over the department. It's an absolute disaster.
And closely related, the adverb absolutely.
Absolutely. This is used to express strong agreement or to say completely or totally.
You can use it on its own as a strong yes. For example, if someone asks, "Are you sure?" you can reply, "Absolutely."
Examples. Do you agree with me? Absolutely. The food was absolutely delicious. You are absolutely right about that.
11. Absorb. Next, we have the verb absorb.
Absorb. This means to take something in, like a liquid, heat, or knowledge.
A sponge can absorb water, a dark surface can absorb heat, and a student can absorb information.
Examples. The paper towel will absorb the spilled milk. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. It's difficult to absorb so much new information in one day.
12. Abuse.
Our next word is abuse. It can be a noun or a verb.
Abuse. This means to use something for the wrong purpose in a way that is harmful, or to treat a person or animal with cruelty.
It's a very negative word. We talk about drug abuse, abuse of power, or physical and emotional abuse.
Examples. Child abuse is a terrible crime. He was accused of abuse of power in his position. The politician began to abuse his opponent during the debate.
13. Academic.
Number 13 is the adjective academic.
Academic. This relates to education and scholarship, especially at a college or university level.
We use it to describe things related to study, like academic subjects, examples history, science, or the academic year.
Examples. She has an excellent academic record. The academic year begins in September. He wasn't very academic, but he was brilliant at sports.
14. Accent.
Next up is the noun accent.
Accent. An accent is the way people from a particular area, country, or social group pronounce words.
For example, I have a British accent, and someone from the United States would have an American accent.
Examples. He speaks English with a strong French accent. It's sometimes difficult to understand a regional accent. She has a lovely, soft accent.
15. Accept.
Our 15th word is the verb accept.
Accept. This means to agree to take something that is offered to you or to agree with an idea or statement.
You can accept a gift, accept an apology, or accept that something is true.
Examples. I am happy to accept your invitation. He found it hard to accept the truth. The company does not accept responsibility for the damage. 16. Access.
Next is the noun access.
Access. This is the method or possibility of getting near or entering a place or the right to use something.
We often use it with the preposition to. For example, access to the internet or access to a building.
Examples. The only access to the village is by boat. Students need a password to get access to the school's computers. Wheelchair access is available at the rear entrance. 17. Accident.
Virtual. Our next word is accident.
Accident. An accident is an unpleasant event that happens unexpectedly and causes injury or damage.
We often talk about a car accident or say something happened by accident, which means it was not intentional.
Examples. He was injured in a serious car accident. I broke the vase by accident. I'm so sorry. Many home accidents can be easily prevented. 18. Accommodation.
Number 18 is accommodation.
Accommodation. This is a place to live, work, or stay in.
It's a very common word in the context of travel. When you go on holiday, you need to book accommodation, like a hotel or an apartment.
Examples. The price of the holiday includes flights and accommodation. We are looking for student accommodation near the university. Hotel accommodation in the city center can be very expensive. 19. Accompany.
Next, we have the verb accompany.
Accompany. This means to go somewhere with someone as a companion or escort.
It's a slightly more formal word than just go with. For example, a child must be accompanied by an adult.
Examples. Children under 14 must accompany an adult. Would you accompany me to the theater tonight? The Prime Minister was accompanied by his wife on the trip.
And our final word for today's session is the phrase according to.
According to, you use this phrase to state where you got some information from.
It's used for citing a source. For example, according to the news or according to a recent study.
Examples. According to the weather forecast, it will rain tomorrow. According to the timetable, the journey takes 2 hours. According to my mom, we should always wash our hands before eating.
And that's a wrap on our first 20 words from the Oxford 3000.
We hope you found that useful. Remember, practice is key. Try to use 1 or 2 of these new words in your own sentences this week.
That's great advice.
Thank you for listening to Everyday English. Join us next time for part 2. Bye for now.
Goodbye.